Great job, David. Thank you so much for coming to our conference and presenting this. Safety is a big issue in our industry, and it's something that all of us need to have our heads on the swivel, watching out for one another, because ultimately the whole idea at the end of the day is everybody goes home safe to their families. And so thank you so much, my friend, for being here.
2 years ago, we listened to David Sarkus at a keynote speech that we had in Florida at Disney World. And we brought those concepts back to our team in Oklahoma City. We have watched significant reduction in the frequency and the severity of our accidents in our workers' comp group drop over these last couple of years, just because of the difference that all the guys pulling on the same end of the rope, that group leader teamwork. We've watched it live. Our turnover is next to nothing. People want to be a part of our organization to work with the family and work with the team.
My name is Mike Spradlin. I'm with Purple Wave Auction. I just enjoyed a great presentation from David. It was unbelievably informative, unbelievably exciting, and I enjoyed the whole experience. It was just a tremendous experience to be a part of this conference at Oklahoma Asphalt Pavers Association. Excited that they brought David in. He did a wonderful job kicking off this conference, and look forward to seeing him again in the future.